Imagine if the exact hour you were born held an elemental key. It could unlock the secrets of your temperament, luck, and spiritual challenges. It sounds mystical, right? But Buddhist wisdom offers a unique lens to decode this hidden map. It reveals how to harmonize your inner energy through ancient practices. In this video, we'll dive deep into this ancient tradition. We'll uncover what your birth hour says about your inner element. We'll also explore how to use breathing exercises and specific affirmations. These can shape your destiny in a fuller, more conscious way. In Buddhism, understanding the elements is key to self-knowledge. Each element, earth, water, fire, air, and ether, governs different parts of our psyche and body. Your birth hour acts as a portal. It shows which element has the strongest influence on you. This influence shapes your personality, emotional reactions, and life journey. Understanding it isn't just curiosity. It's a powerful tool to navigate challenges. It amplifies your innate qualities. It turns obstacles into growth, opportunities to uncover your inner element. First, identify your exact birth hour. This info is more than a bio-fact. It's the starting point for a deep dive into your elemental essence. In many Eastern cultures, the precise moment a soul arrives on Earth is cosmic. It's full of meanings and astrological alignments. These determine your energy makeup. It's like the universe imprinting a code on you, a vibrational pattern linking you to one of the 5 great elements. If you were born between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m., your dominant element is water. Water people are known for sharp intuition, emotional depth, and adaptability. You're empathetic, sensitive, and sometimes swayed by others' emotions. Your luck ties to your fluidity and flexibility. But challenges arise when you cling to the past or let emotions overwhelm you. To harmonize water energy, focus on breath-centered meditation and visualization exercises. These purify and calm your inner turmoil. To enhance your water energy, try this affirmation. My emotions flow in harmony. I adapt with grace and strength. Make it a daily mantra. Conscious breathing helps to inhale peace, exhale tension. It's a balm for your soul. Remember, like water shaping landscapes, you can adapt and find new paths, even in tough situations. Cultivate compassion and empathy, your greatest strength. They'll open doors to a richer, more meaningful life. If you were born between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m., your element is earth. Earth people are practical, stable, and reliable. You're the foundation, the pillar for those around you. You have a great ability to achieve and make projects real. Your luck comes from perseverance and attention to details. These build solid success bases, but challenges include inflexibility, stubbornness, and hoarding both material things and worries. To balance your earthy energy, cultivate detachment and generosity. A powerful affirmation for Earth is, I am rooted and secure. I manifest my dreams with patience and gratitude. I open to the universe's abundance. Try grounding practices like walking barefoot in nature or gardening. They connect you to your elemental core. Breathing exercises focused on stability help too. Imagine roots deepening into the earth. They're very beneficial. Learn to let go of control. Trust life's flow. True security isn't in possession. It's in adapting and thriving anywhere. Those born between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. are influenced by air. You're a thinker, an idealist, with a quick, curious mind. Freedom is your greatest treasure. You constantly seek new knowledge and experiences. Your luck lies in creativity and innovation. You're always ahead of your time. But challenges include scattered focus, trouble concentrating, and living more in ideas than practical reality. To harmonize air energy, build focus and presence. An affirmation that resonates with air is, my mind is clear and focused. My ideas soar high and materialize with purpose and lightness. Meditation works well. Visualize a clear blue sky or dissipating clouds. It calms your restless mind. Deeper, rhythmic breathing grounds your energy. Writing thoughts and plans brings clarity and direction. Remember, true freedom isn't without limits. It's choosing your paths wisely with discernment. If your birth was between 5 a.m. and 7 a.m., your dominant element is fire. You're a natural leader, passionate, charismatic, full of energy. Your courage and enthusiasm are contagious. You inspire others to chase their dreams. Your luck is in starting and motivating. You turn challenges into opportunities with inner strength. But issues like impulsiveness, impatience, and quick burnout from intensity can arise. To harmonize fire energy, manage it, and build patience. An empowering affirmation for fire is, "My passion burns with purpose. I light my path with courage. I inspire the world with my light. My energy is balanced and steady." Visualize an inner flame steady and controlled during breathing exercises. It's very helpful. Silence and introspection practices prevent burnout too. Direct your passion to bigger causes. Channel your inner fire to build a better world. Learn to pace your intensity so you don't consume yourself. For those born between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m., Earth manifests again in your essence. Like early morning births, you're practical, reliable, and seek stability. The key difference? This time brings even more drive to build solid foundations and community sense. Your luck is in nurturing and sustaining yourself and others. Challenges mirror earlier ones. Stubbornness, resistance to change, and overload from too many responsibilities. The affirmation, "I am the rock that supports and nourishes. My actions are firm and my harvests abundant," strengthens your earth link. Keep daily grounding and gratitude practices. Connect with earth through nature touch or plant care. Meditation on stability and deep breathing eases built-up tension and anxiety. Ask for help when needed. Delegate tasks. True power is knowing limits and valuing community support. Natives between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. bring air's lightness and dynamism. A curious mind and love for communication stand out. Your luck is in interconnection, building relationship networks and inspiring through words. Your bridge is linking ideas and people. With innate diplomacy and expression talent. Challenges include inconsistency, trouble deepening, and over-worrying about others' opinions. This can lead to seeking external approval and losing yourself. To harmonize your airy energy, use this affirmation. My communication is clear and authentic. My ideas flow freely. I inspire truth in every interaction. It's a strong guide. Practice lung-expanding breaths like alternate nostril breathing. It calms the mind and focuses energy. Silence and open nature contact like vast fields or mountaintops bring mental clarity and renewal. Your voice is a power tool. Use it to express your truth without fear. If your birth was between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m., fire shines in you. But it's nuanced toward action and social expression. Your energy is fiery, dynamic, aimed at achievement and recognition. Luck is in leadership and motivating groups. You drive projects and turn visions real. Challenges, impatience, control needs, and imposing will, which sparks conflicts. Cultivate humility and active listening to avoid excesses. The affirmation, "My light guides, my fire warms, and my strength propels good in every project I commit to," is a powerful mantra. Centering practices help like candle meditation or heart-centered golden flame visualization. They channel this volcanic energy constructively. Intense physical exercise, done mindfully, regulates excess fire too. Remember, true leaders don't dominate. They serve, inspiring by example and fostering harmony in interactions. For births between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m., Earth emerges again. It colors your personality with strong responsibility and dedication. Luck is in persistence and building lasting legacies in career or relationships. You're an executor who keeps promises and works hard for goals. Challenges, over-attachment to routines, resisting change, and stress from wanting total control. The affirmation, "I build with love, harvest with gratitude, and flex my being to grow with change," nourishes your soul. Seek creativity-boosting activities like art or experimental cooking. They foster detachment. Meditation on impermanence helps seeing life as constant flow. It frees you from rigidity. Nature contact, like planting seeds and watching growth cycles, reconnects you therapeutically. Let go of control. Trust life's process. Beauty lies in reinventing yourself. Those born between 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. carry air's essence, but with stronger curiosity and constant learning. You're eternal students, always seeking new knowledge and views. Luck is in mental agility and info absorption/spreading. You make great communicators and teachers. Challenges: superficiality, info overload anxiety, and emotional connection struggles living in ideas over feelings. A guiding affirmation: my mind is a wisdom temple. My words fly with clarity. My thoughts create the reality I desire. Practice breath-focused meditation. It anchors you in the present, calming your racing mind. Spend time in quiet, inspiring spots away from overstimulation. Read and study passions to channel knowledge thirst constructively, but balance intellect with heart wisdom. Seek emotional world connections too. If your birth was between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m., it reveals strong fire influence, directed toward transformation and renewal. You have intense, passionate energy. Like the phoenix, you rise from ashes. Luck is in resilience and overcoming hurdles, turning them into personal growth. Challenges, anger, frustration, and self/other criticism. Cultivate forgiveness and self-compassion to harmonize. The affirmation, my inner flame purifies and transforms. I release the past and embrace the new with hope and forgiveness. Catalyzes change. Deep breathing releases tensions and negative emotions. It's beneficial. Meditations visualizing golden light purifying body and mind. Bring healing and renewal. Feel and release emotions without repression. Practice forgiveness, it's key to inner freedom and stronger, wiser rebirth. For those born between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m., water manifests in its deepest, most mysterious form. You're intuitive, sensitive, with strong spiritual and unconscious ties. Luck is in healing ability, empathy, and understanding others' emotions. You become a safe harbor for many. Challenges: absorbing others' emotions, melancholy, and boundary struggles leading to emotional burnout. Energy protection and self-care are crucial. The affirmation, I am an ocean of peace. My emotions flow in balance. My intuition guides me to truth and healing, anchors you. Visualize yourself as a gentle river in meditation, flowing and purifying all in your path. Salt baths or natural water immersions restore energy too. Learn to say no when needed. Protect your energy and nurture your soul. Your inner light is a beacon, keep it lit to guide others. If you were born between 9 p.m. and 11 p.m., ether or space is your dominant influence. It's the subtlest, most expansive element representing totality and creative void, from which all arises. Ether people are profound, spiritual, with broad life views. You seek meaning and divine connection. Luck is in inner wisdom, transcending limits, and universal truth links. Challenges: alienation, grounding in material reality struggles, and living in your own distant world. The affirmation, I am infinite space. My consciousness expands. I embrace unity with all existence. Invites your essence. Deep meditation, yoga, and silence suit you. They connect you to your vast being. Spend time in nature, gazing at sky vastness or stars. Let cosmic ties nourish your soul. Your mission: bring universal wisdom to earth. Bridge heaven and earth. Share your expanded vision practically and accessibly. Knowing your inner element in Buddhism goes beyond classification. It's an invitation to self-transformation. Once identified, apply targeted breathing and affirmations. They balance disharmonious energies. For example, if you're mostly fire and feel excess anger or impatience, seek calming exercises. Try compassion meditation and slow, deep breathing. Visualize anger dissolving like smoke. Breathing bridges body and mind. It's a powerful tool to access and shift energy. In Buddhism, conscious breathing or anapanasati is central. It calms the mind and builds mindfulness. Focus on breath to connect with the present. Release past worries and future anxieties. For each element, a breathing style fits best. Deep abdominal for earth, fluid and elongated for water, conscious with pauses for air, vigorous for fire, free and expansive for ether. Affirmations are seeds planted in the subconscious. They rewire negative thought patterns. They boost belief in your abilities. Repeating positive ones tied to your element and desired traits attracts matching experiences. Buddhism teaches we're reality creators. Our words and thoughts hugely shape destiny. For deeper harmony, general Buddhist practices complement element work. Generosity or dana builds detachment and heart expansion. Compassion or karuna and empathetic joy or mudya nourish the soul and transform relations. Regular meditation, even minutes daily, soothes the mind. It calms thought whirlwinds. It boosts clarity and inner peace, no matter your dominant element. Remember, self-discovery is ongoing. Birth hour elements are guides, a starting point, but you have free will to shape life and harmonize energy. Knowing your element isn't a fixed fate. It's a map for navigating existence with more awareness and serenity. Buddhism urges us to be our own masters. Look inward. Find answers already in your heart, waiting to awaken. If this birth hour and inner elements exploration resonated with your soul, show that connection. If it brought light and clarity to your journey, please like and support to catch future revelations and practices enriching your life and raising your vibration. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Your participation spreads this self-knowledge message wider. To seal this discovery and intention moment, I invite you to comment below. Type, "I embrace my elemental balance." This reinforces your harmony commitment. It creates a positive energy chain with like-minded seekers. Share experiences, reflections, intuitions. Your voice matters. Together, we build a supportive spiritual growth community. Until next self-discovery journey.